redefining lifestyle through architecture. In 2025, luxury is no longer defined solely by extravagance, but by the seamless integration of nature, comfort, and modern design. Homeowners and architects are embracing a new wave of modern minimalist living, where simplicity becomes sophistication. Stone, timber, and glass are the dominant materials shaping homes that blur the boundary between indoor and outdoor living. This video takes you inside this powerful design evolution, exploring how natural textures and transparent walls redefine what it means to live luxuriously. Why stone and timber dominate in 2025? Stone and timber are not just aesthetic choices, they represent a deeper connection to the earth. Homeowners are gravitating toward these materials because they evoke authenticity, durability, and warmth. In minimalist homes, where every element must serve a purpose, stone offers solidity while timber brings a sense of organic comfort. Together, they balance the cold precision of modern design with the timeless qualities of nature, creating spaces that feel both rooted and elegant. Bringing the outdoors inside. One of the defining features of modern minimalist homes in 2025 is the use of expansive glass walls. These walls serve as more than windows, they dissolve boundaries between interiors and landscapes. Imagine waking up to uninterrupted views of forests, mountains, or city skylines, all from the comfort of your living room. Glass walls emphasize transparency, freedom, and openness, turning every moment into a curated visual experience and elevating daily life into something extraordinary. Where architecture meets nature. The ultimate hallmark of luxury today is fluidity. Indoor-outdoor flow ensures that living spaces are not confined by walls but extend effortlessly into gardens, terraces, and courtyards. By using sliding glass panels, timber decks, and stone pathways, designers create homes that adapt to the rhythms of nature. The seamless transition allows for al fresco dining, open-air entertaining, and a lifestyle where the boundaries between shelter and environment almost disappear. When less truly becomes more. Minimalism in 2025 is no longer stark or sterile. It is enriched by the warmth of natural materials. Clean lines and uncluttered spaces are softened by timber beams, stone accents, and textured surfaces. This combination elevates minimalism into something luxurious and livable, proving that a minimalist lifestyle doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. Instead, it prioritizes intentional design choices, where every detail, down to the grain of wood or the texture of stone, has purpose and meaning. Strength, security, and permanence. Stone facades in modern minimalist homes are more than a design trend, they resonate emotionally. Stone conveys permanence, strength, and a grounding presence that reassures homeowners of stability in a rapidly changing world. Whether used in rugged natural form or polished smooth, stone creates facades that command attention while blending beautifully into their surroundings. It's the material of choice for those seeking both durability and an undeniable sense of timeless elegance. Natural texture meets minimalist precision. Timber plays the role of softening modern edges. Its natural texture and rich tones infuse homes with warmth that glass and stone alone cannot provide. In minimalist design, timber beams, slats, and ceilings create a sense of rhythm and harmony. Beyond its visual appeal, timber symbolizes sustainability, a renewable resource that reflects a conscious lifestyle. This marriage of ethics and aesthetics is central to luxury living in 2025. interiors with transparency. Glass walls are not just for views, they orchestrate light. Natural daylight becomes the main design element, shifting throughout the day to paint interiors with changing moods. By reducing reliance on artificial lighting, glass also enhances sustainability. Morning rays create a sense of awakening, afternoon light energizes, and evening sunsets soothe the soul. Luxury in 2025 means designing homes that feel alive with light, allowing nature itself to become the artwork of the home. Nature at the core of living spaces. In 2025, many minimalist homes feature courtyards or atriums as central anchors of design. Surrounded by glass walls and framed with timber or stone, these green sanctuaries bring nature literally into the heart of the home. They serve as places for reflection, relaxation, and even gatherings. Courtyards dissolve the separation between architecture and environment, proving that true luxury lies in everyday moments of serenity found within one's private sanctuary. Building with responsibility and beauty. Sustainability is no longer optional, it is integral to modern luxury living. Homeowners and architects are increasingly sourcing stone and timber responsibly, ensuring eco-friendly construction without sacrificing beauty. Glass innovations now include energy-efficient treatments that regulate indoor climates while reducing energy use. Luxury in 2025 isn't about excess, it's about conscious living, choosing materials and designs that respect the planet while elevating personal comfort. Design that belongs to its place. Modern minimalist homes in 2025 are designed not to dominate landscapes, but to belong within them. Stone facades reflect nearby mountains, timber echoes surrounding forests, and glass mirrors the sky. These homes are chameleons, harmonizing with their environments rather than disrupting them. By designing with sensitivity to place, architects ensure that each residence becomes part of its natural context, a luxury that money alone cannot buy. Freedom of space and movement. Inside, the use of open-plan layouts reflects a desire for connection and flexibility. Living, dining, and kitchen areas merge into one expansive flow, framed by glass walls that open to the outdoors. Stone fireplaces, timber ceilings, and minimalist furnishings create warmth without clutter. These interiors encourage interaction, creativity, and adaptability, supporting the diverse lifestyles of modern families while celebrating simplicity in design. Stone counters, timber accents, and sunlit dining. In modern minimalist homes, kitchens are no longer utilitarian, they are showcases of design. Stone countertops and backsplashes add strength and elegance, while timber cabinetry provides warmth and texture. Glass windows frame garden views, turning cooking into an inspiring experience. Dining areas often extend outdoors, connected by sliding glass doors. This blending of materials transforms kitchens into luxurious yet inviting spaces where nature and family converge. The sanctuary within the home. Bathrooms in 2025 reflect the same principles of luxury and nature. Stone sinks, timber shelving, and floor-to-ceiling glass walls facing private gardens create spa-like atmospheres. Water becomes part of the design narrative, flowing harmoniously with natural elements. These spaces aren't just functional, they are retreats designed for relaxation, rejuvenation, and reconnection with oneself. In minimalist luxury homes, even the smallest spaces become sanctuaries of serenity. Resting with nature at your doorstep. Luxury bedrooms today embrace tranquility and openness. Timber-framed ceilings, stone accents, and expansive glass walls invite natural surroundings into the room. Curtains are often sheer or automated, giving homeowners the choice between privacy and panoramic views. The result is a space that feels intimate yet infinite, grounding yet liberating. Sleeping becomes an immersive experience, where every sunrise and sunset becomes part of daily life. Patios, decks, and gardens as extensions of home. Modern minimalist living doesn't stop at the threshold of glass walls. Patios, timber decks, and stone walkways extend homes outward, creating outdoor lounges, dining areas, and fire pits. These spaces encourage year-round outdoor living, seamlessly blending architecture with landscape. The integration of water features, vertical gardens, and natural lighting ensures that outdoor living is as luxurious and intentional as the interiors. Smart homes designed for sustainability. Luxury in 2025 also means smart integration. Homes with stone, timber, and glass facades often include advanced technology that enhances both comfort and sustainability. Automated climate control, solar energy, and smart glass that tints on demand reduce energy use while maintaining elegance. These systems are discreet, aligning with the minimalist principle of invisible luxury. Technology becomes a silent partner, elevating life without overshadowing natural beauty. Blending cultures through architecture. Modern minimalist homes in 2025 draw inspiration from around the globe. Japanese Zen gardens influence courtyard design, Scandinavian simplicity shapes timber use, and Mediterranean stonework informs facades. By blending these cultural inspirations, architects create homes that feel universal yet deeply personal. This cross-pollination of styles allows luxury homes to transcend borders, proving that the language of nature and minimalism is truly global. Why people choose stone, timber, and glass. Ultimately, the choice to live in a stone and timber home with glass walls goes beyond design, it's emotional. These materials reconnect people with rhythms of nature, offering peace in a fast-paced world. The flow of light, the warmth of timber, the grounding presence of stone, all contribute to a lifestyle that feels both luxurious and deeply human. In 2025, the most valuable luxury is harmony, not excess. The future of minimalist homes is here. As we've explored, modern minimalist homes with stone, timber, and glass facades redefine luxury living for 2025. These designs are not about grandeur but about authenticity, balance, and integration with nature. They embody sustainability, emotional well-being, and timeless elegance. The future of luxury is not louder or bigger, it's quieter, more intentional, and more connected. In these homes, luxury and nature coexist seamlessly, setting the standard for how we will live moving forward.